So you've grabbed a cake box mix from the store in hopes of quickly making a cake for your next gathering. Well, in this video, I'm going to give you 3 simple tips for making sure that your cake comes out moist and delicious. If you're new to my channel and want to learn more about cake decorating, subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Here's a box cake mix that I picked up from the grocery store, and as you can see, it is labeled as super moist. These 3 tricks will improve your cake whether or not the box mix comes with this label. The first thing that you will notice is that the cake mix is calling for 1 1/4 cup water. The first trick is to replace that water with milk. This is going to help your cake maintain moisture as it is baking. The second trick involves allowing your cake to cool to room temperature and preparing your cake to be frozen. Here I'm wrapping my cake in some plastic wrap, and finally I'm covering it in aluminum foil and labeling it before placing it into the freezer. Now you must bake your cake at least a few days in advance to take advantage of this trick. Doing this allows any liquid particles frozen within the cake to re-moisturize the cake once it's brought to room temperature for decorating. I talk about this in more detail in this video, which is linked in the description below. The next trick is to add simple syrup to your cake layers before assembling and decorating your cake. In this video, I show you how to make 3 different flavors of simple syrup that you can add to your cakes to give them a little bit more flavor as well as moisture. But be mindful not to oversaturate your layers with syrup. The link is in the description below. Did you find this information useful? If so, let me know by hitting the thumbs up below. My channel features many more cake decorating tips and tutorials, so subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when I upload a new video. As always, thanks for watching.